Alright, y'all, this is one of my trash vehicles, but I want to show you something. If the car is in gear, as you can't see, there you go. It's in gear. Now, foot's on the brake, and I just moved this. Nothing happens. And this is moving really easy. Like, moving super easy, and no matter where you put it, the car won't start. So if this happens, I'm going to show you how you fix it. So we're going to shove it all the way forward, turn the car off, and I got the parts over here. See, I already temporarily fixed it. I'll show you how, but I got the parts I need right here. And that's a video that I did the other day. So let me get that jacked up again, and let me show you underneath. Alright, so now we're underneath the vehicle, and you see this popped off because the rubber bushing is shot. So this is in drive right now. I got the e-brake set. So this is where park should be. So what we need to do is just take this, and everything's still really warm. That's still not where it should be. And there's park. So you see that goes on, but barely touch it and it falls off. So you hit a bump or something while you're driving, and that could fall off, and there you go. The other thing is, if you ever need to move the car, just take this off, pull this down one notch, and that's going to be neutral. Just like it would be, no, 2 notches. Just like it would be if you were shifting it from the gear selector. So all that we need to do is pull out this old one, and you may need a pick for that to make it easier, and sometimes a flathead screwdriver. Pop in the new one. I'm going to do that real quick, and then you just simply pop it right back on, and I'll be right back. This is also right here on a front wheel drive car. That's going to be the shift linkage. That's where it connects to the transmission, and that right there is what the shift column goes to. Alright, that sucker was a little tight, but that's not a problem. Got the new bushing in. That was the right one. Now all you do is line it up and push it on. Now you see, it doesn't come off easily. So, the fix is now done. And that's all you gotta do. And some shops would charge you too much. I mean, honestly, that's a really easy fix. So, yeah, that's how you'd fix that problem.